Hello everyone, good to see you all on this video, and this video will be doing the unboxing of this Redmi 5A. The phone comes with the Snapdragon 425 processor having 1080p resolution, recording in the video of 13 megapixel PDAF camera and 128GB expandable memory and 5-inch 720p resolution display. So here the 425 processor is energy efficient, so 3000 mAh battery can withstand up to 1 day. Front is glass and back is metal, and this is 2GB 16GB variant grey color phone having MIUI 9 running on 7.1.2 Nougat version, having Adreno 308 as their graphics. So time for unboxing. Well, see, this is our sponsor of this video, Selvam Mobiles in Sathankullam. If you want to buy this mobile, just give the promo code of DEVANT808, so there's some special price for you. So here's the phone, and keep it side, some paperwork for the newbies. Wow, where's the headset? Here's the micro USB and SIM ejecting tool and the power brick, and the headset is gone, and it is a power headset. Well, its output is of about 5 volts 1 ampere because of the 3000 mAh battery. And here's the device, looking good, huh? That's good. Here's a happy feedback. Here's the sensors and speaker grills and camera of up to 5 megapixel. Here 3 capacitors put in. On the right you have a volume unlock, and the top remote control IR and the extra mic for your video recording. Here MIUI 9 is booted up and 3.5mm jack. Left you have dedicated SIM card slots and micro SD also available to put primary, secondary. On the back you have 13 megapixel shooter and LED flash. In the bottom you have micro USB, and in the back also you have the speakers. So here's the first boot is now setting up, and the micro SD you can expandable up to 256GB. The video recording is of about 30 fps is maximum, having infrared as already told, OTG supported, and sensors are accelerometer, proximity, there is no fingerprint sensor, so you need to put the parent pin or a password to unlock the device. This phone running on MIUI 9.0 stable version, so there is no bugs in their OS. Here's the setup finished. Let's check what else in this phone in the settings. So about phone gives the details of about 7.1.2 Nougat Redmi 5A model number, and the CPU is quad core 1.4 GHz clocked, and this version is 16GB, only 8.31GB is available, and 2GB RAM. Also 3GB 32GB version is available in the market. If you want, go and check it out. Let's see the camera. The main shutter is of about 13 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and the shutter speed is quite responsive. Video having time lapse only, and this maximum is full HD, that is 1080p resolution. Camera interface interface is similar to all other Redmi devices. Here MIUI 9 having this one similar to the iOS, and notification expands gives good smooth usement. I like this UI. And here the Redmi 5A unboxing done. It's me, DEVANT, signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.